From backyard-built ultralights to sleek European LSAs, these 10 aircraft shape the perfect path for anyone learning to fly. Each one holds a different lesson about control, awareness, and freedom in the air. The question is, what makes these planes ideal for beginner pilots? Picture yourself strapped into 248 pounds of aluminum and fabric, engine roaring behind you, wind tearing at your clothes as you lift off grass in less than 100 feet. No paperwork, no government permission, no medical examinations required here at all. The airbike strips aviation to pure basics, eliminating every unnecessary complexity between you and sky. Built for Part 103, weighs 248 pounds empty. Wood fabric wings, exposed rudder pedals, narrow cockpit create motorcycle-like flying. For $9,000 complete. The Rotax 277 delivers 28 horsepower, burning 2 gallons hourly, making flights cheaper than commuting. Every gust teaches instantly. Ham-fisted inputs cause drama. Smooth coordination produces grace. Lightweight demands respect and precision from first takeoff always. Open cockpit provides sensory education no enclosed cabin replicates. Wind rushes across face. Temperature shifts register on skin. Vibrations pulse through body. This immersion builds instinctive awareness impossible elsewhere. Landings require perfect timing as structure floats in ground effect endlessly. Folding wings fit garages, eliminating hangar costs. Students fly often because operations cost less than driving daily. The airbike separates dreamers from aviators through unforgiving honesty. Lessons learned here transfer to any aircraft later. But some want enclosed cockpits with modern panels. Imagine stepping into an aircraft that feels like a real airplane from the moment you open the door, not a fragile trainer that terrifies nervous beginners. The Tecnam P-92 Echo Mark II represents the bridge between ultralights and certified aircraft, where serious aviation training truly begins for thousands worldwide. The Tecnam bridges ultralights and certified aircraft perfectly with Italian craftsmanship throughout. Design meets light sports standards with side-by-side seating and Garmin G3X displays. High wing visibility and professional cockpit layout teach real pilot thinking immediately. Over 2,500 fly worldwide, proving reliable design consistently. The Rotax 912 ULS generates 100 horsepower cruising 115 knots on 4.5 gallons hourly. Composite fuselage and metal wings balance strength with useful load perfectly. Students practice real cross-country navigation, not just pattern work repeatedly. Spacious cabin reduces fatigue during long training sessions, effectively always. Handling rewards precision while forgiving minor errors gently throughout flights. Stabilator provides crisp pitch control, teaching energy management fundamentals. Tricycle gear simplifies landing practice initially for nervous students. 39 knot stall speed with flaps makes approaches comfortable consistently. 1,200 11-foot takeoff performance enables smaller airport operations where traffic stays manageable throughout. Instructors praise how it teaches proper technique without catastrophic punishment or damaging confidence. Students master instrument scanning, coordinated turns, and descent planning naturally. Safety records prove effective training design conclusively over decades. Insurance rates stay reasonable because of demonstrated reliability worldwide. But after modern comfort, some crave simplicity, showing aerodynamics visibly. The Eurofly Minifox brings Italian craftsmanship to affordable ultralight aviation manufactured in Vicenza. Kit completes for $25,000, making brand new flying machines accessible. Folding wings store in 7.5-foot width fitting garages easily. Open cockpit delivers wind and face experience with exceptional visibility throughout flights. Powered by Polini Thor or Cisco Bullmax engines producing 33 to 40 horsepower, Minifox cruises 55 knots burning 1.25 gallons hourly. Stall speed, 22 knots, provides comfortable safety margins. Construction time averages 50 hours from quick build kit completion. High wing strut brace design covered in UV. Resistant polyant sailcloth ensures durability and longevity. New closing wing system uses brackets, simplifying wing attachment alignment. Controls include rudder pedals, central stick, left throttle. Right trim creating simplicity personified. Optional fiberglass nose cone with windscreen available for weather protection when desired. French ULM certification validates safety and reliability standards through rigorous testing procedures. Benign stall characteristics and ridiculously slow flight characteristics forgive student errors gracefully. The Minifox proves pure flying joy remains affordable and accessible today, but American classics with exposed structures teach aerodynamics through visible forces. The Viper SD4 arrived from Slovakia in 2007, combining all metal construction with light sport standards. Developed using computer-aided design and numerical control machining, every aircraft maintains tight tolerances. ESA's certification in 2016 validates safety standards thoroughly. Powered by Rotax 912, generating 80 to 100 horsepower, it cruises 108 knots, burning 4.5 gallons hourly. Maximum range reaches 400 nautical miles standard, extending 648 with optional tanks. Side by side, seating under bubble canopy provides excellent visibility always. Tricycle gear with hydraulic brakes handles paved and grass operations confidently. Electrically actuated flaps reduce pilot workload during pattern work. Takeoff distance 590 feet, landing 524 feet, enable short field operations. Climb rate approaching 1,000 feet per minute provides safety margins. Flight schools appreciate robust construction, withstanding student landings without expensive composite repairs. Dynon, or Garmin panels, prepare students for modern avionics environments. Spacious cockpit reduces fatigue during extended sessions. The Viper transitions students smoothly toward advanced navigation and cross-country flying confidently. But stripped-down ultralights teach efficiency through radical simplicity. The Phantom X1 debuted at Sun N Fun 1982, winning major design awards, immediately establishing classic American ultralight status. Simple bolt and rivet aluminum tube construction covered in Dacron sailcloth makes building accessible. Construction time averages 150 hours from kit to flying aircraft. Powered by Rotax 447, delivering 40 horsepower, it cruises 55 miles per hour on 5 gallons fuel capacity. Empty weight 250 pounds meets Part 1. 03 ultralight requirements perfectly. Maximum speed 61 miles per hour with stall speed 26 miles per hour provides comfortable margins. Full span ailerons provide direct control feedback, teaching coordination and precision from first flight onward. Wing area 142 square feet supports 510-pound gross weight safely. High wing tractor configuration offers excellent visibility for traffic awareness and navigation. Exposed structure becomes educational tool, showing loads, stresses, and forces visually. G limits plus 9 minus 6.6 demonstrates structural strength exceeding typical ultralight standards significantly. Students understand aircraft systems intimately because construction details remain visible always. The Phantom teaches pure stick and rudder skills without electronic aids masking inputs. Generations learned foundational flying skills here, but some want enclosed cockpits protecting from weather. The CGS Hawk arrived in 1982 as aviation's first fully enclosed ultralight with strut-braced wings. Designer Chuck Slusarchik surveyed pilots asking what they wanted most. Enclosed cockpit, 3-axis control, real flaps, and pusher engine. The Hawk won first place against 126 competitors. Available with Rotax 4, 47, 503, or 582 engines producing 40 to 65 horsepower, the Hawk teaches power management effectively. Fuel consumption ranges 4 to 5 gallons hourly. Enclosed cockpit protects from weather, while removable doors allow summer flying. High wing provides excellent visibility. Anodized aluminum tube construction resists corrosion and simplifies repairs using basic tools. Many Hawks built in 1983 still fly today. The curved tail boom and airfoil create stable characteristics that forgive errors. Tricycle gear eliminates tailwheel complexities initially, focusing on fundamentals first. Students discover protective cage design during practice. Flight schools appreciate maintenance accessibility after 40 years production. Transition to heavier aircraft feels natural because responses teach proper technique. But after enclosed comfort, radical efficiency designs teach energy management through minimal wing area. The Earthstar Thundergull revolutionized ultralight aviation in 1987 with cantilever high wing eliminating external wires and struts completely. Designer Mark Byerle sought hang glider feel, helicopter visibility, sailplane smoothness combined. The result shocked industry. 55 miles per hour cruise on 28 horsepower. Wingspan measures only 17.6 feet, making ground handling remarkably easy. Compact dimensions reduce drag significantly, while flaps provide 25 miles per hour stall speed, maintaining safe characteristics. Construction time averages 150 hours from kit. The Thundergull flew coast to coast 7 times, carrying one 80-pound pilot. Flight tested to plus 5.9 G, loading demonstrates structural strength exceeding typical ultralight standards significantly. Never exceed speed 120 miles per hour allows spirited cross-country travel. Cantilever wing removes quickly for trailer transport without tools. Rotax 277 delivers adequate power burning minimal fuel, making costs incredibly low. Students learn energy management intimately because small wing area tolerates no sloppy technique ever. Every approach requires precise airspeed control and planning. Turbulence affects Thundergull less than larger winged ultralights due to higher loading. Pilots mastering this understand efficiency fundamentally, but ambitious builders want construction experience with modern folding wing designs. The Kitfox Classic 4 represents garage-built aviation since 1991. Over 4,500 kits delivered to 43 countries prove this design captures flight freedom. Steel tube fuselage and fabric wings fold for trailer transport, enabling farm strip operations. Builders learn systems intimately during construction. Powered by Rotax 9, 12 or 582, delivering 80 to 100 horsepower, it cruises 95 knots while stalling 32 knots with flaps. Short takeoff performance from rough fields under 400 feet. Fuel consumption averages 4 to 5 gallons hourly with 300-mile range. Conventional gear demands tailwheel skills, separating competent pilots from average ones. Students learn directional control and crosswind correction techniques. Light wing loading enables mountain operations and high-density altitude performance. Short field capability opens backcountry destinations, inaccessible to most trainers. Builders understand every system from fuel delivery to flight controls intimately. This knowledge proves invaluable during maintenance throughout ownership. The aircraft rewards technique with predictable responses, but Ultimate Platform combines building experience with modern avionics and certified advantages. The van's RV-12 redefines light sport capability through meticulous engineering since 2006. 792 completed aircraft demonstrate worldwide success. Available factory-built or kit form serves flight schools and individuals equally. Vans created only LSA, Manufacturer Partnership for Safety Plan with FAA. The Rotax 912 IS Sport delivers 100 horsepower burning 4 gallons hourly efficiently. Maximum weight, 1,320 pounds accommodates two 185-pound occupants plus 20 gallons fuel and 50 pounds baggage. This useful load exceeds most light sport significantly. Stall 41 knots, cruise 120 knots, Garmin G3X, touch or dine-in panels. With synthetic vision, prepare students for modern demands. Optional GTN 650 enables instrument training in light sport category. 2-axis autopilot demonstrates automation management skills. All metal construction using pulled rivets simplifies building and repairs versus composites requiring specialized facilities. Flight schools praise durability under student abuse with reinforced gear, exceeding requirements substantially. Stabilator provides positive pitch control teaching trim and energy management. Wings remove quickly for trailering flexibility. Students transition smoothly because skills transfer directly into careers. Czech Precision Engineering offers another complete training path ahead. The Evector Sport Star RTC represents Czech Precision Engineering meeting Global Light Sport certification from ESA and FAA authorities. Among first LSA, receiving dual certification established worldwide training reference standards. Spacious cabin provides relief from cramped cockpits with total visibility and sports car comfort throughout. Powered by Rotax 9 12 ULS, generating 100 horsepower Sport Star cruises, 115 knots consuming 4 gallons hourly. Sufficient for daily instruction, yet potent for intercity crossings. Light, intuitive, predictable controls teach how small stick corrections alter attitude and energy. Teaches smoothness coordination and instrument reading clearly. Integral metal structure guarantees resistance and longevity exceeding composite design significantly. Absorbs runway imperfections, well ideal for interior aeroclub operations. Dynon or Garmin digital panels present data cleanly approximating certified aircraft environments. Each flight becomes practical lesson in energy management, attitude control, and systematic planning. When beginner pilots master Sportstar RTC, they discover effortless flying pleasure, delivers confidence, solidifies fundamentals, and opens pathways forward toward power and speed. Limits transcend local fields, reaching entire horizons ahead with professional capability and European craftsmanship excellence. The truth about learning to fly is that comfort doesn't always create better pilots. Some master fundamentals faster in machines, punishing mistakes instantly. Did this change your perspective? Hit that like button now. The real question isn't which costs less, but which philosophy fits you. Which aircraft would you choose for first solo? Comment below and subscribe for more aviation content. Both paths work when matched correctly. Share this with anyone dreaming of flight. Picking aircraft just because it looks cool guarantees failure. Watch the videos appearing on your screen and stay with us. Bye-bye.